as you can see, moving your hips is super sexy. So I'm gonna do a couple of drills with you really quick. So just bend your knees. We're gonna move to our right first, hips to the right. Half time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Every beat faster, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finish it off. Good. The next one is gonna be, let's face the diagonal. Bend your knees still, stay balanced. And you're gonna pivot front and back, so slow again. Half time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So imagine you have a string here and a string here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what you see my hips doing is pivoting like this. Okay? I'm keeping my upper body still, so I'm not doing this. I'm right here. Boom, 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 boom. And now we're gonna put them all together, 4 corners, front, right, back, left, and then circle it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 every beat. So front, right, back, left. Front, right, back, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna circle it, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And normally, I want the guys to go forward, and I want the girls to go back. Yeah, so you're gonna accent booty back, boom, and the guy's gonna go forward. So what's gonna happen is, the girls, you're both gonna go clockwise, but the guy's gonna meet you going forward, yeah, and the girl's gonna back it up, okay? So we're gonna go, you're gonna, good, scoot up, good. So without touching on the 1, 3, 5, hook it back. Here we go, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Now stir it even faster, so like a real small circle. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Okay, so this is the nasty, sexy one. Is really small circle, right? Boom, 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 boom. And whenever you want to, you can slow it down. So we can go back to the 1, 3, 5, 7. I'm ready to count, and 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so that's the basis of a lot of the grinding techniques. As you can see, the hips are super sexy. So you gotta do these drills over and over again to get that control. Okay, so work on those hip isolations.